Hey everybody, this is James Decker with the Cooper Lighting Technician Network, bringing you the DOM zones and our best practices. First off, I'm going to discuss what is it, I'm going to discuss what to do, and then I'm going to give you some tips and tricks. Once a zone has 9 devices or more, up to 30 devices, WaveLinx will create a lead or point guard device within that zone that will help synchronize the lighting settings. The initial point guard will be the very first device pulled into the zone. The 9th device pulled into that zone will then enable the point guard synchronization. The DOM zone point guard is necessary for lighting settings to be efficiently uniform. So what we're going to do is we're going to plan ahead. Think of the centralization within the area devices. Not 150 feet from the WAC is the first device to pull in when you know you've got between 9 and 30 devices. So in this situation, the point guard will want to be the N13 device. So what do we do to make that N13 device the new point guard? Okay, so we're going to access the WLM page. And then from the Engines tab, we're going to then select the area and select the zone to adjust that point guard assignment. A list of assigned nodes within that zone will be displayed, and you'll be able to adjust the set point guard setting per node. Additional point guards are allowed where needed for long, L-shaped, or odd zones. So when should you think of DOM zones? So when you observe issues where not all lights in a zone respond to a zone level change. Maybe it's not all the same fixtures. Well, this could be related to the DOM zones because possibly the distance between the nodes has become undesirably large. So identify the center of your area and pull in that node first. Think of the 31st device. It will have regular unicast. Break down larger zones to less than 9 devices to see if that helps your response. If you remove the first point guard, it will revert to the second point guard that was pulled into the zone. The construction area will create a DOM zone. By default, the software will choose one point guard. If the default point guard is not enough, you can choose more point guards, preferably centered point guards. And again, if a manually chosen point guard is removed, you can always think of choosing another point guard. But again, the software at the 9th device will assign a point guard. Thanks, everybody.